This 2023 Prime Time Crusader 382 mph is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Prime Time is 43 feet 5 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 9, LP detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, water heater, awning, external shower, skylight, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, Colorado detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Prime Time Crusader 382 mph is 13,106 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.